Hello everyone, welcome back to the MHK classes. MHK classes is an educational channel. Today in this video we are going to explain the term motion. What is motions? How can we feel motions? How it is looking? How many kinds of motion? How many types of motion? All are explained in this video. So if you get any value from this video, you just share the video, subscribe the video and like the video. So let's start the topic of the day. What is motions? Motion means what? Motions in our daily life, in our daily life, there are different types of motions we see around us. Motions refer to change in position of any object. Motion change refers to change in position. Position changing is called motion. This is bird. Birds is fly bird. Birds are flying. It is in motion because it's change its position to it's change in position, so that is called it is in motion. Similarly, fish is also swim in the water, into the water, to change its position from one other place by swimming. This is earth. Earth is also it in motion. It's already rotating on axis, and it's motion in circular way toward the sun. Earth is rotating in the motions from around the sun. So this is called motion. Motion means refer to change in position. To change in the position of any object in the earth and anywhere, that is called motions. How can we feel motion? How can we feel motion? What is motion? We can feel easily. When we speak, our tongues are in motions. Our hands are motion. When we write on the board, when we write in the book copy, our hand is in motion. We can feel easily. Our eyebrow is in motion. Our nose is it in motion because we inhale the oxygen through motions. So everything it is in motion. We can feel easily. Flow of water in the river, it is in motion. How it is looking? How can we see the motion? What is type of motion? We can see it continuously changing its original place, continuously changing. Suppose we are here and now here. This is motions. We change our position from there to there. It is called motion. Okay. How many kinds of motions are there? There are only two kinds of motion. One is uniform, another one is non-uniform motion. One is uniform, another one is non-uniform motion. And what is uniform? What is non-uniform motion? Suppose uniform motions are two types. Uniform motions are equal distance, equal interval of time. You have clock, you have wall clock in your house, in your home, anywhere. It is performed in uniform motion because it's cover its needles equal distance in equal interval of time. Suppose 1 meter cover in 1 second, 1 meter is cover in 1 second, 1 meter always cover in equal distance. Those motion that's cover equal distance in equal interval of time are called uniform motion. Have you understood? No? If you don't understood, comment in the box. I repeat the definition. And what is non-uniform motion? Opposite of its, that is called non-uniform motion. Suppose the car driving in the crowd, its speed now 40 km per hour, and a breaker is in front, then it will brake, that is speed reduce 30 km, and then again and again reduce the time, reduce the speed, reduce the time will get more. That is called is non-uniform motion. Bouncing of the ball. Suppose we have a ball, we throw the ball on the floor, it will first come here and then here and then here and then here. This is called non-uniform motion because continuously not to jump on same level, it's decrease its level. That is called non-uniform motion. Now how many types of motions? This is kinds of motion and this is types of motion. Motions are of 4 kinds: straight motion, circular motion, rotatory motion, and last one is vibratory motion. What is straight motion and what's object? It is in a state of motion. More object we see daily, it is in straight motion. Suppose this bus is going on the road, that is in straight motion. We drive bike in straight motion, we already walk in straight motion. So this is straight motion. Straight motion is always go in one way, in one direction. Its direction is specified in one direction. That is called is straight motion. What is circular motion? What is circular? Circular means something reference point, your origin point. This sun and this earth. Sun is here and earth is around the sun. Move around the sun. Earth continuously move around the sun. This is called circular motions. This is called circular motion. What is rotatory motion? Rotatory motion is those motion an object rotate its own axis, not another axis. Suppose this fan is rotate, this is called rotatory motion, and this earth is also rotatory motion because it's also rotate on its axis, revolve on its axis, so it is called rotatory motion. And when it is around the sun, that is called circular motion. Last one is vibratory motion. What is vibratory motion? Vibratory motions you can feel through your own mobile. When phone call is received, when call is coming, your motion, this type of motion. Sometimes go again, pendulum. Suppose pendulum, this is pendulum, to and fro motion, that is called vibratory motion. This and this is fixed position. One time go there and one time go there and return back and come there, return back, come there. This type of motion is called vibratory motion. So I hope you have understood each and every term in this video. If you don't understood and have you any problem from my language, so comment in the comment box. Next video will become further of this motions, speed and distance and velocity and acceleration and so more. So subscribe the channel for future updates. Thank you for watching this video.